All right, class, today we're here with a new lesson, same topic though, because we're going to build upon it. The standard 3.4, explain and analyze the role of individual attitude, motivation, and determination in achieving personal satisfaction from challenging fitness activities. It's really hard to exercise and not have a goal. Otherwise, it's just boring. Like, why are you doing it? So your attitude. Most people in the world have to move, whether it's walking to work or taking care of kids or anything that involves you moving, like a construction worker or a gardener. Anything involves moving. So you have to have some motivation for that. Learning target, I can explain, evaluate the role of attitude when we participate in physical activities. And then growth mindset. Most of you have worked on growth mindset for a couple of weeks now. I think it's important to think about like what we can do to improve our growth mindset. So, without any further ado, I am going to grab my heavy weight. Like I said, it could be anything. This could be a backpack. This could be a laundry detergent. I figured most people have laundry detergent because everybody's got to do laundry. So I grabbed some laundry detergent here. And the first thing we're going to do is, we've already warmed up. We're going to work our back out by doing a row. So with the row, what you want to do is you hold the weight neutral. And you kind of keep your back on a slant, and you pull up and pull down, pull up and pull down, pull up and pull down. So I just did 3, right? That's pretty easy. You always want to start easy and progressively get harder. That's part of growth mindset. That's part of working out. Whatever you do for one side, you do for the other. So I'm just going to do 3 on this side, okay? And that's a 1-armed row, right? But there is a 2-armed row. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hold the container, okay, on its short side, and I'm going to hinge at the waist and just bring it to my chest. Bring it to my chest. Now you notice when I'm standing like this, I'm not totally bent over and I'm not totally arched. I'm in between. My back is slanted. It's on an angle, okay? So that works the middle of my back, right? If I wanted to be better at doing pull-ups, I would also want to work my traps and my biceps, okay? Because they're all kind of together. So a really simple bicep exercise is just a hammer curl. So you'll see here, I'm just bringing it straight up and straight down. Straight up, straight down, straight up, and straight down. Then whatever you do for one side, you do for the other. Straight up, straight down. Whenever you're working your, doing pull-ups or doing chin-ups, you're working your biceps, you're working your back, okay? So same thing, I did 1 for each arm. Now I can hold the detergent together and I could just pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. You notice how my elbows are staying at my side, okay? A couple different angles here, but I'm just all the way down, all the way up. So that's another thing you could do. So that works we just showed your 1-armed row, 2-armed row. That works your rhomboids, a little bit of your lats. That helps you with pull-ups. Pull-ups are mostly your lats and your biceps, or chin-ups as well. Now let's talk about your traps. Why would you want to get your traps, in better shape? Because you're on the computer all day. If you're doing pull-ups, you're definitely engaging them, but this is an additional exercise. I only have 1 laundry detergent, so I'm just going to shrug one side up. You want to bring this deltoid to your ear if you can. It's like saying, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Whatever you do for one side, you do for the other. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. So that right there worked my traps, which is like your neck muscle right here, kind of connected to your shoulder, kind of connected to your back, which is your lat. So whatever you do for one side, you do for the other, but then you do with 2 hands. So now here it is in front of me, and I'm shrugging up. I'm trying to bring it all the way up to my ears. I obviously can't touch my ears, but I'm close. I'm getting up as high as I can. so that works my traps. So let's think about this. We're a couple minutes in, all right? We're talking about determination. Now, just watching a video or coming to class, you're showing that you have a good attitude. You're showing that you're determined. Once you pick up the laundry detergent and you can do it 3 times, why not do it 5 times? Why not do it 10 times? Why not do it 20 times? See how it is. Growth mindset and goal setting. If I were wanting to do pull-ups, it's really, really important for me to build that muscle in my rhomboids, in my lats, in my biceps, in my traps. All that together is part of your back, and it's going to help you get stronger and accomplish that goal. So although I didn't do any pull-ups, I'm exactly working on that.